guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to share my tea bread, that is my milk tea bread recipe with you, Charlie. This one is not like your usual tea bread, or you see the inside. Yeah, it's not the tea bread that is full of yeast. You break it into it and there's nothing. This one is heavy inside. Yes, so please subscribe, like and share this video. So the first thing I'm going to do is to activate my dry yeast. Yes, I have 200 ml of warm water. Yes, and I've added my yeast to it. I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoon of sugar to it to help to activate it, and then cover it for about 5 to 10 minutes for it to activate very well. Okay, so I'm using hard flour, 4 cups of hard flour. So I'm going to add my salt, half a teaspoon, a tablespoon of nutmeg, my milk, 6 tablespoons of milk powder, and also a tablespoon of sugar. Yes, this one you don't need too much sugar in it. That is why we call it tea bread. Yes, and this is my yeast ready. I added 4 tablespoons of cooking oil, 1 egg, and I'm going to measure 2 of the lid of, that is vanilla flavor. So I'm going to mix everything together. You can decide to omit the egg. Do you get it? I'm going to add combine it together, and at this point I'll put out the spatula and then use my hands for this. Yes, please, if you are watching me and you have not subscribed, do subscribe for me. I beg you to like, share this video and leave a comment. So I'll be adding water little by little till everything is well combined to the texture or the consistency that I want. It's not supposed to be too hard, and it's not supposed to be too soft also. And so this is it. I'm going to cover this and let it rest for like 20 minutes, then we'll work on it again. Yes, so after the 20 minutes I have my chopping board there, and this is it. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to knead this. Yes, this is how I'm kneading it. I'm not doing any serious kneading. We are just look at what I'm doing and do the same thing. Do you get it? So at this point I'm going to divide it into 4. Yes, I'm going to divide it into 4. Please share this video for me, like and leave a comment as well. And we are going to roll this. I'm going to roll it with my rolling pin. Instead of using flour, you can also use oil on the chopping board and on the rolling pin to help you roll it very well. So we are rolling this, and then we are going to fold it and tuck it in to get the shape that we want. Yes, please share this video for me, like and leave a comment. Okay, so I'm going to fold it, then I'll be tucking it in or pinching it alongside. Yes, so this is it, and I'm going to pinch it, and then roll it again, and then roll it, not with rolling pin. Yes, so roll it this way to expand it, get it slim, a bit slim. And I'm going to tuck or pinch the ends together very well. Yes, and then I'm going to roll it again, and I'm going to place it in my pan. So that's what I'll do to the rest, all 3, the same method, the same. This is not difficult at all. You don't need professional hands for this. You can just play with it and you get it. Okay, so this is the last one. Please share this video for me, like and leave a comment as well, please. Yes, so this is it. I have flour in the pan, and I let it rise for some time, like 30 minutes. I didn't let this rise too much. If you want it to rise more, give it more time. You can cover and leave it in the sun for it to rise very well. So we are baking this. So I baked it low for 15 minutes in my gas oven. I set it low, bake this for 15 minutes, and this is it. See you, beautiful. Some goodies here and there. Oh, Charlie. Our tea bread is ready. Let me break it for you to see. Some goodies, yes. So you see the inside. Yes, it's not empty, it's heavy, and you will love it because I did not let it rise too much. But you can allow yours to rise to the time that you want, 1 hour or more. Thanks so much for watching. Have a blessed day.